Hello guys! Kakagising ko lang, nandito ko sa bahay ng lola ko. Luto tayo ng breakfast. Ang niluluto ko ay spam kasi gusto ko ng spam rice for breakfast. O tara, kain na tayo. Favorite ko to. Mukbang time.
I don't know who this is. She looks special. This is our night vision camera, and we're gonna go out in the night looking for the. It's called Dumbarton. She was King Henry's wife.
Look at those closets.
So,
Wait, can you open them?
I've
Yeah.
got something to show you. Hello. How's life? Let's close this. Don't want anyone to get out. Get out. No.
Alex,
Kumakain
and
lang
then
ng
the
nood.
closets. And also here somewhere.
Yan. Baby, I'm not trying.
Wow, I'm impressed. I love this place. It feels like we traveled back in time, isn't it? This bathroom is huge. Look at that. A shower. Beautiful. Come in. Look at this. So nice. That's insane. Come in. Oh my God. Stop it. People don't be sleeping tonight if you're not gonna stop it. Who is sleeping where?
I'll be sleeping in this bed. I'm sleeping in this. It's not my room.
Who is it? This is the wife of Henry VIII. This is the Annabelle.
Sarap na lang yung spam. Sabi ko ba kitang ganyan? Ay, wala pala.
Going down.
Don't go too close, guys.
This is a rock beach, right?
Yeah, there's a rocky beach.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.